Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Tony Rebel talk about me. Tony Rebel can't talk about me. Me know no Mr. Rebel and me matter about. I can't me matter about. You see, all of you know we are talking about Rasta this and Rasta that. Suck no mama. Live me depend now. Suck out to no mama. Real style. My pants. I put on my pants. My pants. I'm there about man pants off it tight, not because I'm tight. I don't want to come wear my pants in. I don't want to come in my pants with me. Suck full no mama too. Yeah. Because out of everything when you feel address. You're not going to see me in my pants. On my grounds, in my yard, on my place, I lean up on my garage. I want to tell me about this. Suck on no mama again. Yeah, all of you. You know my fans? You don't tell me that already, you know. None of you we are talking about my fans. Suck on no mama again. Bumbuckler. All who are talking. You see, look, check myself. You see me care about you. All of you negative bumbo wall. Eh? What? All of this big ugly black face ugly girl. I come and chat about Rasta. Me tell us me Rasta. Go suck in for your mama. You all are ugly and bumbuckler. You think I respect you or respect me? Suck out to no mama. All of you know. No favor blood clot. You can't stop me. You come and see me in my own clothes. I remember that. Suck you no mama. You don't fear just on address. You don't come and talk about my pants. You don't fear just so much bumbuckler clean and go all in the place and be a fuckery. You don't come and talk about man pants. Batty boy, I don't me talk to. Because I found a batty man. Musically out of music. You don't look up dirty stinking pussy wall. You see me? About my pants. Suck you no mama. Hey. But when you see that time, I straight about my pants. Pussy wall, all of you know so this or that. I'm talking about man pants of this type. Batty boy, you cannot tell me about my pants. Pussy, you can't tell me about my pants. You buy my pants. You see that taking, sucking your mama too. Batty boy. Boy, you watch man pants. Go watch a movie, pussy. Go watch John Wick. Batty wall. Oh, I like Gyptian man. Go chuck it to no mama man. Chuck to the mama like a 12-4 blood clad window. I'm a pants you now watch. Hey, I'm not taking pants. I would have taken some more blood clad pants. You know, see, since that publicity there now. A pants, publicity there now. A pants publicity there now. Oh no foolish pussy hole no. Me no business no. Me done a star already. You me a star my pants you now watch. Batty hole. Bow man pants tie. Go suck you no mama. Me fuck the whole of no girl. Fuck no baby mother. Some of no mothers too. One two no. All no mother some of no we are talking me fuck. Me fuck some of no mother. That no one tell you no. Yeah. Bumba wall no bright and faces. Suck you no mama. I better put some respect for my name on that talk. But who Tony Rebel talk about? Tony Rebel can't talk about blood clot me. Me will fuck so much pussy. Me will fuck so much pussy. So me not come tell no much on the girl let me fuck out. And some of no big old girl to me just run it through me not like you know. Some of no frowns stinking wall to. When me have to come to fuck me say me no want no pussy for no. I want that to take off her shoes. Hey, you don't jam me out you know suck you no mama. Batty wall boy and batty wall girl. And them something like for broadcast. Big pussy blogger and batty wall blogger now. Since some of them something like go blast it out now. Suck you no mama the wall out now. When you can't stop me, platinum myself. Check the stocks. Check the fucking thing. You're not pussy like you know. You're not some waste man. What should I watch by Gyptian? Gyptian pants. That's how powerful Gyptian is. In pants when put on some pussy I watch. My cheapest pants. What a fucking idiot you know. Look how much things for your dress. And that you know one, you know see it now. Go blast it out now. What a fucking shit.
Viewers and subscribers, right there so is where you just hear is Gyptian respond to social media pertaining to the thing where they might talk about what kind of clothes that him have on and so forth. You know, it's about a picture that him take that you know that he was in his own house, as the way I say I'm yard. As I say, Gyptian, yeah, Gyptian has been getting some form of bashing from some people on social media. Firstly because of the whole being with a white woman issue. You know, people have said that him sell out and all these things. And then now because him take a picture in our pants that then considered it to be too tight. You see me? And then even artists started to bash towards the thing where them say Gyptian did do wrong with the whole clothes them are wearing, and I say Rasta nothing have on sitting like this and all these things, and a whole heap of speculations are going, you see it, and them kind of thing they really and truly Gyptian find it offensive. So people started to respond it to what Gyptian say, and some people start to say that Gyptian, the type of artist we know you as, we didn't know you as this kind of person to be saying words like that and so forth. It is, you know, look good and all these things. Again, the same thing, you know, it's kind of like the same thing. You get him angry at first, but you know, this time it's about his words and not his clothes. You see me? So Gyptian do another you know, another video trying to explain himself in a certain way. Well, not really explain, but he's basically letting you know that him not no time for apology, or like him must say him not got apology. You know, for the best thing, take a look on it for yourself and observe. Alright?
Yeah. Let's come on live listen to this thing for all our vibes, you know. Share the joy and the positive spirit with them today. It's not like the other night, you know. I don't know we stay I'm out in a giant church. And I apologize for nothing at all. I see some other people that say they used to and them never used to and them this. Who give a fuck about them? Not me. For the real fans them, they will be here. If they are not real fans, they will go. And that's how life going at anything I do. So I'm just already up on the ground, I do get up something and to put on the market back, you know.
You see, me not defend nobody right about now, because me can't speak for no general public. Me I talk for myself where me learn about social media. You see me? You see me? Yes, Gyptian point, we'll get to Gyptian point, but let me point out something first before I explain to you about Gyptian point, the whole thing. You see me? Yes, the social media is a thing like this that bill you, and social media will pop you down. You see me? Even for the mere fact of me giving very positive comments, social media, people will often try to come and say things that really is even out of the context. You get me? I said to you just for the point of tearing you down because of whatsoever good you're trying to do. You get me? I said to you? Yeah. Now you see Gyptian right here, so Gyptian is now one of the person that is being bashed for social media. Just like I say, for being with white woman, now it's with the whole tight pan thing. And it's not just that him being bashed by social media, but it's the kind of people, the people them where I get bashed, who are bashing. These people who are bash him Gyptian are some people that are considered as important people to the whole music society and the whole fraternity of this thing. You get me? I said to you? No. Gyptian just called one name, right? Gyptian just called one name, which is a Rastafarian, right? But it is not confirmed the rest of names them we may call right about now. You see me? No. Them say that even Sizzla Kalonji is not with the thing where Gyptian do. You see me? I say, and you know what I mean? And him just said Tony Rebel a while ago. So basically, the Rastafarians within the music is against him, Gyptian, what him doing. That is what is being said through social media. You see me? I say, now, from its start, you hear him call a name. So that means to say the news must have hit him. You get what I said to you? And even if the news not hit him, the video we do must have hit him. And it caused a little whole heap of things for him to say. You see me? So him say him now apologize. Alright, fine. Hear me now. Me, I go talk my point of view now about the whole situation. You see me? I say, it don't matter what you do. It don't matter what you say. A man or a woman are going to be the person where they want to be. They are going to wear the clothes that they want to wear. It no matter what you think about that person is going to live the life where them want. You see me? I say, I just saw life go, especially when they have the money and the freedom to do it without anyone around them to cast the problem to them. You get what I said to you? Yeah, you see. Alright, but anyways, you don't know this right about now hit on social media. You know, Gyptian responding to to social media about the problems that they have with him with how him dress and his lifestyle and so forth. So me I say, and these things right now hot on social media. So you don't know, as always, me DancehallSkilla I go bring to one hot on social media for keeping up to date and posted. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave in the comments, let me know what you think, and always read the comments, because sometimes you know, viewers and subscribers will leave comments in the sections that is very informative, and sometimes I will leave comments there that will keep on up to date and posted pertaining to what's up and what going on. As I say, my name is DancehallSkilla. Wanna big up on yourself, yeah, my people. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? DancehallSkilla. Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching DancehallSkilla Entertainment.